Hello everyone, I am back with another video. So today I will teach you a watercolor technique for beginners. So first you need to know how you can apply the color as a beginner. So first I apply a little bit of burnt sienna color in a side to tell you how I will complete the whole watercolor technique in just 3 steps. This is called wet and dry application or dry technique because you have to wait until the color is dry to apply the next tone. The upper side you can see a face. Before I start to create the main painting, I will show you how you can easily handle the color very easily. When you start to create a watercolor painting as a beginner, don't try to use lots of colors. Try to use only 1 or 2 colors. Like in this painting, I only use burnt sienna. So first, when you apply the color in your painting, try to use just apply the wash in very flat tone, and then it's dry. Check the area with your hands. When you feel it's totally dry, apply the second tone, and after application you have to wait, apply the third tone. So this is how I will create the main painting. First I apply a flat tone, you can see. After that, first tone is totally dry, I will apply the second tone, and I use some fresh water to blend both tones. And third tone or the final tone, you just need to add some dark tone and some detail, and your painting will done. I think this video will really help you. Thank you, bye bye. I will come back with my another watercolor video.